The Shiba Inu community has been patiently awaiting the launch of Shibarium, the layer 2 chain, which is likely to bring much growth, development, and adoption to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Now, there's a coin that hasn't gotten nearly as much attention as it deserves during this time, and it may bring something explosive here in the near future. Now, what I'm talking about is Bone Token. Now, if you're not familiar with Bone Token, it is actually supposed to be the governance token for the layer 2 chain, which means that anytime there is a transaction conducted on Shibarium, you are going to need Bone Token in order to do so. Now, Bone Token has had a great start to the year. It started the year at about 87 cents, has run up to almost $2 before facing some consolidation and starting to work its way back down along with the broader crypto market at this time. Now, again, a key thing that people seem to be forgetting in regards to Bone Token is that you are going to need it in order to do transactions on the Shibarium layer 2 chain. That's the thing that has slipped a lot of people's mind, and really there will be a point where supply shock is going to set in. People are going to be scrambling to try to accumulate Bone Token to conduct transactions on Shibarium. Now, Bone Token itself is a low supply coin. There's actually only 167 million coins currently in circulation with a max supply of 230 million coins. The total market cap is 296 million as it stands currently. Now, will this go up? Well, that's really anybody's guess, right? We're not, in the area of, making financial advice or anything like that. But if you compare it to Shiba Inu as a whole, there's 7.5 billion market cap total for Shiba Inu at this time. There's a lot of adoption that is currently there for Shiba Inu that really hasn't seen its way into Bone Token quite yet. It will be coming over time. Currently, there are 1.3 million holders of Shiba Inu, but only 72,500 holders of Bone Token. This is where this discrepancy may, create some parity over time. Now, Bone Token is still early, right? It hasn't been around nearly as long as Shiba Inu, but it is going to be something that will be needed. And again, supply shock is likely to take hold of it at some point in time. Now, again, as always, this is not financial advice, but definitely pay attention to what is going on with the token itself. But we appreciate you guys, as always. Definitely appreciate you stopping in. Show your support for the channel here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there is new content live and available for you to watch. We appreciate you guys, as always. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.